superb scent! This is the perfume of my living doll friend. It smells so good! The doll shows me what she uses. This is real doll perfume. Take a mini perfume bottle with a cork. Cut off a plastic stick off a perfume sample cap. Make a hole in the cork with a toothpick and glue the stick. Pour the perfume into a container. Fill a dropper with it and pour it into the bottle. Superglue the crystal to the cork. And tape a mini label to the perfume vial. I enjoy the scent. The doll is going to see the world on its own while I am distracted with the perfume. Oops! It seems I've lost it. Where are you? The doll is nowhere to be seen. I hope it hasn't been kidnapped. Nobody pays attention to a living doll. How should she find her human friend? A huge eyeshadow palette should definitely attract the attention of my fashionable owner. Attach big carton pieces and a strip between them to a big white piece of paper so that you get a cover. Fold the edges of the paper inside and fasten them with double-sided tape. Cover one inside part with the paper and fold up the cover. Score the bending lines with a ruler. Cut out a big makeup palette title. Attach the letters to the cover. Paint the spine red. Attach a rectangular piece of silver cardboard to the inside. It will be a mirror. Add the name of the makeup as the one in the original package. Attach white paper to a rectangular piece of thin foam plastic. Cut circles and squares out of colored foam rubber sheets. Attach them to the foam plastic. Imitate eyeshadow. Tape the palette to the cover. The doll is perplexed. The eyeshadow palette is so noticeable and beautiful, but no passerbys are interested in it, except for this lovely girl. She sees the living doll with a big makeup palette in her hands. Any girl can dream of such a palette. How can you be so sad when you've got a makeup treasure in your hands? This palette is awesome! The doll sees how much its new friend likes the eyeshadow palette. Well, I've got a present for her. I will give her my doll eyeshadow for being kind to me. Trace a small box on a sheet of a thin rubber sponge. Cut out 2 details and 2 strips. Hot glue the rubber sponge to the inside of the box. Put the eyeshadow from a broken palette into an empty, clean pill blister pack. Add a few drops of rubbing alcohol into each pocket and press it to compact the makeup. Paint the pill blister pack with black nail polish. Paint the rubber sponge and the outside of the box as well. Make a mini applicator out of a small toothpick and cut applicator pads. Paint it black. Hot glue the palette into the box. Cover a logo with clear tape and fasten it to the cap. The girl is excited when she sees the mini makeup. This baby eyeshadow palette is very compact and bright. For the real doll makeup, I want to thank my new friend for this gift. I suggest going for a walk, but beware of a garden sprinkler. It's not a good time to take a shower, and water is no good for a doll. I give some cotton candy to the doll to cheer her up. The doll has never tasted this strange dessert. It's so delicious! Our tongues have become blue after eating the colored cotton candy. We are having fun, but my lipstick smudged away. Still, the permanent doll makeup is safe and sound, as always. The doll knows how to help me. A giant lip tint. Wow! I'm afraid it's too big, even for a human. Cut an empty body lotion tube. Clean it from the inside. Put it between 2 sheets of parchment paper and seal the cut with an iron. Paint the tube bright and spray it with clear lacquer. Attach an enlarged lip tint label. Put in lip gloss using a syringe. This gloss is perfect for me. Thank you, doll. Now, my lips are bright and glossy. Did you like our doll makeup? Then write in your comments which makeup product you liked the most. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new magical videos on the Troom Troom channel.